Hi, I am Mercler in Bisin BSMT1 from Betelgeuse. So today we're gonna discuss the objectives and different markings required by a load line convention's role in ensuring a ship's stability. If we try to define load line in the simplest fashion, it will be as follows. Load line is a special marking position amidship, which depict the draft of the vessels and the maximum permitted limit in distinct types of water to which the ship can be loaded. When the load line is drawn over the output characteristic curve in a graph, it makes contact at a point known as the operating point or quiescent point. As a result of the numerous maritime accidents that have happened at sea due to the overloading of vessels, the significance of having a standard maximum limit for ships was identified long before. However, it took many years to have an international agreement for the universal application of load line. It was in 1930 when the first International Load Line Convention took place, after which it was periodically amended until the latest one in 2003. Purpose and necessity of load lines. The load line concept emerged in Britain in the 1870s to prevent merchant ships from being overloaded. The fundamental purpose of a load line is to allow a maximum legal limit up to which a ship can be loaded by cargo. By prescribing such limits, the risk of having a vessel sailing with inadequate freeboard and buoyancy can be limited. A vessel should have a sufficient freeboard all the time. Any exceptions will result in insufficient stability and excessive stress on a ship's hull. This is where load lines play an essential role, detecting whether the vessel is overloaded and its freeboard tremendously effortless. The load line conventions ensure ship stability and safety by regulating permissible draft and freeboard, preventing overloading, and maintaining structural integrity. Its key objectives include protecting against excessive loading, accounting for seasonal and regional conditions, and standardizing maritime safety. Ships are marked with the load lines, including the Plimsoll mark and the seasonal variation, such as tropical, summer, winter, and winter North Atlantic. Timber-carrying vessels have additional markings. S. Summer. It is the primary freeboard line at the same level as the Plimsoll line. Other load lines are marked based on the summer freeboard line. T. Tropical. It is 1/48 of the summer drop mark above the summer load line. W. Winter. It is 1/48 of the summer drop mark below the summer load line. WNA. Winter North Atlantic. It is marked 50 mm or 50 millimeters below the winter load line. It applies the voyages in North Atlantic above 36 degrees of latitude during the winter months. F. Freshwater. It is the summer freshwater load line. The distance between S and F is the freshwater allowance. TF. Tropical freshwater is a freshwater load line in tropical. It is marked above the T at an amount equal to freshwater allowance. These regulations help maintain stability, provide reserve buoyancy, reduce structural stress, and adapt to environmental changes, ensuring safe and seaworthy vessels operation. And that's all for my video discussion.